In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your ankle dorsiflexion with a resistance band. So in this case, I'm using a TheraBand. It's looped around a fixed resistance object, so that means it's not going to move, and I've got that anchor point for the band. I've also got a mat here just for general support and comfort, and I've got a foam roll which is going to be propping up my ankle so I can do my ankle dorsiflexion. Now, you don't need one of these specifically, you can just use a pillow, anything to prop the ankle up will work just fine. So with the TheraBand, what I'm going to do, I've put a simple knot in it so it's not going to go anywhere, and I'm going to put it on the top of the foot here. So if you think about where the toes are and then where the ankle is, I want it bang in the middle of the foot, and then from here I'm going to put my Achilles onto the foam roll. Now, the further I come out with the foot, the more resistance there's going to be, as well as the different type of TheraBand I use is also going to create more resistance. If in this position it's too uncomfortable for the knee, prop some pillows underneath the knee, but if it's fine, we can go straight into our repetitions. So you're going to completely relax the foot and then bring the foot and ankle into dorsiflexion. And all that means is that I'm going to bring the ankle in a position where I'm trying to point towards my head. So I'm relaxing, trying to point towards my head, and then back down. And I'm going to repeat this for my desired amount of sets and repetitions. And then you can do this on the other side, or if it's just one side where you've got an injury, you might decide just to do that side. Whilst you're doing one side, you might as well always do the other side. However, once you've done your reps, all you're going to then do is release the resistance, come forwards, and then you can come out of the TheraBand. That's how to do dorsiflexion of the ankle whilst resisted and using a TheraBand.